Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. This is going to be my belated year with the gear with the Snugpack Jungle Blanket XL. Yeah, right there. It'll show up. I've actually had this about a year and a half, and I slept with it 2 weeks ago when we were out here camping, and it's been working really well in my hammock because temperatures aren't really that cold at night. I mean, it's chilly, but it's not like it's unbearable. And I've been doubling this with the Get Out Gear puffy down blanket, which I actually shot some footage of this 2 weeks ago, how I kind of set this up. But I put the down blanket down first, secure my feet, cover up my feet, and then put this over the top of me. And one nice thing about the blanket is when you put it lengthwise, you know, because it's like 4 feet wide. Where's the length? Nope, I had it right the first time. So this is how wide it is, right? Oh, you know, a camera shot. But all this is compressed down just in hammock length. So I'm getting multiple layers. And when I was in bed, yeah, I get my face was about the only thing that got a little cold. So I just pulled up just a little bit over my face, instantly warmed up. So I'll be out here for 2 nights. I'll check in the morning, give you a report how I slept, if I sleep. Usually I don't sleep when I'm out camping. I don't know why. I just lay awake all night. But if I'm gonna lay awake all night, at least I'll be warm and comfortable hanging in my hammock and resting in underneath 2 layers of blankets. Plus, as I said, they crump down on top of me, so I got like, you know, I got like a layer of insulation. It's just it's really nice. So full report in the morning. For now, we'll bring you back later. Good morning one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. It's morning, it's cold, and it rained last night too, so those of you who've been asking about rain, well, there you go. I kind of wanted to run over, I used the puffy down blanket and the underquilt, not the underquilt, the, oh, I gotta change batteries. Right, so I'm just gonna use the Nikon because it was convenient. So, here's how I've been running. Anyway, here's how I ran it last night, and it seemed to work pretty well. So, take off my shoes. Do so without falling over. Yep. Mission accomplished. Okay. So I keep my chair, you can see, right next to my hammock. And the reason I do that is because I put all the blankets and everything on the chair, so I can just get in without having to worry about so I'll hop in, make sure my underquilt's adjusted and straight, get my pillow, and then I'll take the down blanket and I kind of just throw it down to my feet. Just work it up so I have a foot box, and then I can just pull it up to my chest, my neck, then I will grab the kind of the same deal. I'll just throw it down to my feet. And the benefit of the
hammock is I can pull up the sides and kind of trap the blanket into the hammock. And then I'll just pull it up, kind of do the tuck. So I've got the blanket over me now, and the down blanket also down here, so I can pull it up, and then this up. Adjust my pillow, keeps my neck up off the base, and then I'll just sleep. Well, actually I laid awake all night because that's typically what I do, but when I'm done with my headlamp, I'll just turn it off, set it on the chair behind me, and then I'll just, it's kind of slipped off the feet a little bit, but just throw it back down. That's all she wrote. The only thing that really got cold on me last night was my face, but I would just pull it up a little bit, and if the moment I did so, it was like warmed right up. So that's basically what I did. And when I have to get up to answer the call of nature, I just pull the whole blanket up, get the other one up, and I'll just grumble and curse and that's it. Yeah, so I felt like those two blankets were a winning combo. I wasn't cold at all last night, except when I had to get up to answer the call of nature, but I was warm the whole time. The two blankets together. Plus, I'm wearing wool socks too. I think that helps. Good show. I think it's time for coffee. Alrighty, so 2 nights using this blanket. Rather chilly temperatures, but not terrible. Blanket worked out great. Got a little chilled sometimes at night, but I just kind of wiggled around a little bit and I warmed right back up again. So I don't know if it had just fallen off or got moved, but yeah, it was great. I think it's a great blanket for maybe late spring, summer. Of course, I was also using another blanket with it as a backup, so I was layering, but it can be a little tough getting it back in the bag because they pack them up, but when they loft out a little bit, it's like they don't compensate for loft. So you're absolutely just having to cram this thing in. I mean, look at this. It's practically all back in, but I have all the rest of this I have to try to stuff in here. All whatever it needed was a little bit more bag. I would have paid to have a little bit more bag in here. Unless I go buy my own compression sack, but also, if you're out here and maybe you're stealth camping, you want to try to get out of here in a hurry. Well, there's no hurrying this back in the bag. I think it's my only real complaint about this. The stuff set needs to be bigger.
But then again, I did finally get it, so there you go. Although it still wants to pop out. Bastards. God, spend a little money and give us a little bit more bag. Hell, bill it to the customer. I will pay it. There we go. Alright. So of course you got the straps that go over top like this. And you can compression it down, which I don't compression it too much. And it's still a pretty compact size, so smaller than a sleeping bag, unless it's one of those really small, like lightweight sleeping bags. But yeah, been pretty good though. Alright, well, all the links will be down in the description for this. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Morning one and all. How's everybody doing? Today, day 3. Just waking up. So, yeah. Hammock worked out really well. No problems, not a single issue. Completely warm underneath, no problem. It did get a little chilly, but I wish I'd brought my mummy bag, just that extra warmth. But you know, using the get out gear down puffy and the jungle blanket over the top worked out. You know, it's kind of funny because I get a little chilled sometimes. I would just kind of, you know, wiggle a little bit, and I don't know why, but that seemed to, I warmed right up again. So maybe I had shifted off or something, I don't know. But yeah, but this morning it's time to get a fire going because it's actually pretty chilly. So get some fire going, get some breakfast. I don't have a very creative breakfast. I'm just doing oatmeal again. I forgot to go get, I was going to order a couple Hock Vittles. Of course, I've had those before too, but I forgot to order them. So I'll just go with oatmeal. I feel like oatmeal, so fire, coffee, breakfast, and then start packing up and go home and take a nice hot shower.